Lahat ng bagay, mabuti man o masama, lahat may katapusan. Gaya ng laging sinasabi, it's not about the destination. It's about the journey and the learnings. Kaya patuloy ang buhay ng lahat na lumalaban. Nagsasakripisyo at nagmamahal. This is Sky Love Cruz. Now, signing off.